Have you noticed your spouse acting differently lately? Cold, distant, or suddenly against you? What if I told you? Someone might be influencing them behind your back. Part 1. The shift. Relationships don't just change overnight. When love starts to feel strange, there's always a reason. Sometimes it's not your partner. It's someone whispering into their ears. Part 2. Signs of external influence. Here are some signs to watch out for. They suddenly believe negative things about you. They compare you to others. They become defensive for no clear reason. They start keeping secrets. Part 3. The truth. Not everyone around your relationship wants it to succeed. Friends, family, or even outsiders can plant seeds of doubt and confusion. Part 4. What you should do. Communicate. Stay calm. Ask questions. Don't fight blindly. Understand what changed. Protect your relationship with truth, not anger. Outro. Call to action. If you value your relationship, don't ignore the signs. Like, share, and follow for more truth about love and relationships.